Hello, Sam here. In this video, we are going to learn how to optimize videos to rank higher and gain more organic views. Plus, I'll be showing you how to leverage views from big YouTubers in similar niches. Welcome back. If you happen to enjoy this tutorial, give me the like button, give a comment and hit the subscription button so that you won't miss videos like this in the future. As part of this video, I'm going to upload a video I recently filmed, and currently I'm in my YouTube channel, but I don't have my keywords yet. So we have to go and do some keyword research. Then I will upload it step by step for you to see. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use Vidiq keyword research to search for our keyword. You'll find a link to Vidiq in the description, and at the end of the video, I'll be giving you a code to use Vidiq Premium free of charge for 1 whole month. Yes, free. So we are currently in Vidiq, and go to see you in keyword research. So I have an idea of how I want to title my video or the keyword I want to suggest, but I have no clue as to whether to be competitive or not. But I should have done that earlier on to find out how competitive my keyword is. But I just got ahead of myself, and this is the situation I find myself in. So I just have to find a keyword like hook or crook. So per the video I filmed, I think, let's see, how to do keyword research should be able to fit into the video I filmed. Okay, so I'm very lucky here because my search main keyword, according to Vidiq, has a search volume of 8,394, and the competition is very low, which is 17.39, and has an overall score of 66.41, which means that this keyword is very low, and I can use it as a title of my video and also use it to optimize my video. So the most important thing is that I look out for related keywords Vidiq has given to me based on my main keyword. So you just click here. So how to do keyword research? I click, then keyword research, I click. Remember that you should always watch out for the competition right here, then the search volume. If the competition is high, please don't add it to your list of keywords because you're not going to rank for it, and it will be a waste of time for that. So keyword research 2 also has a competition of 16. Keyword research tutorial, keyword research for SEO. Then SEO has a competition of 36, which is also low, but I don't want it. I prefer those below 20 or within 20. Keyword research 2019 is 11, so I'll click. Search engine optimization is 42, which is very high for my channel, so I move on. Keyword research tips has no search volume. It's very low, but it has no search volume, so it will be bad to target this, so I skip. Google Keyword Planner has a competition of 13 and a high search volume of 15,199, so I take. So you go through this whole lot of things here, then find the keywords with low competition and low search volume. I think I have enough. Okay, let me get more. So SEO keyword research 16, competition of 16. Keyword 2 is also good. SEO keyword research 2019 is also good. Right here. How to keyword research, no search volume, though it's low. Keyword planner 15, also very good. So I think I have enough. So what I'll do basically is to click here, copy my selected keyword, open my Word document, then paste it right here. Let me enlarge on it. Okay. So this is my main keyword right here, how to do keyword research. That is the main keyword I'm targeting, and below it I have related keywords I'm going to add to my video description, and I'm going to use as my video tags. So the important thing here is that make sure that the keyword you are targeting is exactly spelled out in your title. So I'm going to use this same exact keyword in my title. Then as part of my video description, I'll make sure it starts with this same keyword, how to do keyword research as well. So in writing, make sure, please don't paste these related tags into your description column. It wouldn't look nice, and I think the YouTube algorithm wouldn't like it that way. So you have to add sentences to it and make it flow naturally. So this is what I will do. Okay, I'm coming. Today, learn how to do keyword research. All right. So you see that my main keyword has come, how to do keyword research. So I can put a full stop here. Doing keyword research with a free keyword research tool. Okay. Makes it easier and what okay, so I believe you have an idea of what I'm talking of in order not to bore you to go over this whole thing. So I repeat myself again, make sure that your main keyword is part of your title. It's also part of your description. The first paragraph or the first sentence of your description should have your main keyword. Okay, then you add more flesh to the related keywords you had from the research. Don't copy it and paste it exactly into your description. Like I said, it wouldn't look nice. The essence of the description is for people to read and understand what your video is about. So make sure that you put it in a nice sentence form, and that will be okay. If that's okay, let's get back to our YouTube channel. So whilst I was searching for my keyword, I was also uploading the video. So as you can see, the video has been uploaded right here. So what you simply do is to copy and paste the description we created with our related search terms. So just copy and paste it right here, and it is there, nicely written. Is that okay? Then get to playlist. I select my playlist, which is already prepared in advance. Then the most important thing is that next important thing is the tags right here. So we go back again, then copy the tags with the related search terms I said we are going to use for our tags. We just copy it, come in, and paste it in the tag section of our video. Remember, I said this will give YouTube a fair idea of what our video is also about. Okay, so I want you to take notice of something here. You've seen that my main keyword is right here. how to do keyword research. It's right there. Then when you get to my tags, you see that's the number one tag I've placed there, how to do keyword research. This is how you do SEO optimization for your videos. First rule, make sure that your title has the keyword you are targeting. This is mine right here. Make sure that it is in your video description. Mine is here. Then make sure that it is found in your tags as well. Mine is right here as well. So this is very simple for you to do. It shouldn't be anything difficult for you to do. And you just have to take your time and search for those keywords. And with Vidiq, it's very easy for you to search for those keywords. So what I'm going to do now is to publish this video. You need to select the language. Look for English. Okay. So video elements, at this point, I need to add some elements, end screen, which is also very important. Basically, what you are going to do is to promote your videos on each other. So one video promotes the other video, which encourages you to also get more views as well. So this is a very important practice for us to do. So I click on video or playlist promotion, then best for viewer, create elements. Okay, so that is done. So we'll go back to our where we are editing our video. So the next thing is to add cards. So the card is also being added right now. Please, all these things are very important for your SEO, because if you're able to, your videos are able to promote other videos of yours, it's very good. Imagine someone watches your video, getting to the end, another video pops out being recommended for the person to watch. It all adds up to growing your channel. So this is very important. So put it on public. Then finally I hit the published button. I'll do this later. So ladies and gentlemen, this is simply how we publish we do SEO keyword research for your videos. It is easy, very easy to do, though you need to take your time, but it's very easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment and hit the subscription button for latest videos. Thank you. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.